Dia, and together with the choreographer, Angelo and Vanessa. And we would also like to thank the sponsors, Cyclone, Bus Stop, and the head of the Kapatijan, Barangay Captain Honorable Vector Bendita. Make some noise, come on! And by the way, on Saturday, this is for if you wake up early in the morning, what do you call that one? Early bird. There you go. So around 6 a.m., the fluvial procession of the miraculous image of Santo Niño. Around 9, we have reenactment of the baptism of Queen Juana and Ra Humabon in Basilica del Santo Niño. And around 12 p.m., we have 12 the Street Vibration and Big Bike Rally 2017 by Vilax Owners Group Incorporated Cebu Chapter. And around 2 p.m. there is a solemn procession of the miraculous image of Santo Niño. And I know you're excited with this. 7 p.m. Sinulog Fireworks Competition at SM City Cebu. And around 8 p.m. you may go back to Fuentos Peña for San Miguel Night. I think you're ready. And on Sunday, Sinulog Grand Parade will start at 4 a.m. Mañanita Mass at Basilica del Santo Niño, and around 6 a.m. Pontifical Mass at Basilica del Santo Niño, and around 9 a.m. Holy Mass at Cebu City Sports Center. Sinulog Grand Parade Carousel Kickoff. And around 12 to 1, there will be like Sinulog 2017 Dance Group Finals here at Cebu City Sports Center. And around 6 p.m. we have DJ mixing at Robinson's Gallery in Cebu. Announcement of winners of Sinulog 2017 and Smart Night at Fuente Osmeña. Ladies and gentlemen, our next DJ